Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing one problem from Fourier series. Consider the problem given here. This problem is taken from GATE 2021 paper. And in this problem, you see one Fourier series expansion is provided. X of t is considered as summation of ak e to the power j k omega naught t, that omega naught is your fundamental angular frequency, and here coefficient are xt and signal is x of t. Moreover, it is specified that the signal x of t is real and even and having fundamental time period 6, average value of xt is 2, and Fourier coefficients ak equals to k for k equals to 1 to 3, and rest are all zeros. Now we need to find out the average power of the signal x of t, right? The answer provided 32. Now we'll try to solve this problem. So this is our problem, and we'll try to compute this average power using Parseval's theorem or identity. As signal is given in exponential Fourier series form, so we'll go for this relation. The average power of the periodic signal is given by the sum of absolute of an or ak square. Okay, so these we are going to use. Now here, so as it is mentioned that the signal is having average value of xt is 2, thus a0 is 2. Okay, and next ak is k for 1 2 3. That means when k equal to 1, a1 is 1, a2 is 2, and a3 is 3, and rest are zeros. Ak equals to 0 for k more than 3. However, it is not mentioned that what is the value for a of minus 1, a minus 2 means negative of k. That is not provided here. But it is given that xt is real and even. So if xt is real and even, then an is always real. Okay, and an is real, and also a minus n is the conjugate of an, thus it is again an. So a minus n equals to again an, right? So we can use this one here. Now you see this average power we can expand as, so when n equal to 0, then it is a 0 square. Then I will consider n equal to 1 and minus 1 together. So a1 square plus a minus 1 square. Similarly a2 square, a minus 2 square, a3 square, and a minus 3 square. And rest are zeros because ak is 0 for more than k is more than 3. Now we can put the values for a1, a2, and a3. Similarly for a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So a0 is given by 2, so 2 square. So this is 1 square. So this is also same, 1 square. Next one is 2 square, 2 square. Next one is 3 square plus 3 square. And rest are zeros. So first term is 4. Next term is 1 plus 1, 2. Next one is 4 plus 4, 8. And 9 plus 9, 18. And total is 32. Right? So total power, average power is 32. Right? So if this video is useful to you, then you may press the like button to encourage me to put more number of videos in this channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.